What's up, guys? So in this video I am going to show you how to spoof your MAC address in your Windows computer, laptop, desktop, whichever it may be. So if you go into the command prompt, you can just hit Windows R and do an ipconfig/all. I'm pretty sure ipconfig is fine. You'll see all your network adapters that you have on your computer, and right there will be your MAC address under your physical address, and every network adapter you have will have this. So to change your MAC address, you're gonna want to go here, right click, open network and internet settings. For Windows 7 it's very similar. You just have to follow them. They have the same options. Network and sharing center, change network adapter. Here's all your adapters you have. Even the virtual adapters show up here. They also have a physical address. Same thing with the wireless adapter, which I'm actually using right now. But for this demonstration, I'm going to be doing the Ethernet 2 adapter. So under properties, click configure, and then go to advanced settings. And from here, you want to go to network address. Right now, there is currently, I'm using my actual MAC address. And from here you want to click here, go to value, and from this point you can change your MAC address. However, it is a little bit using this method. There are several methods to doing this. It is a little bit, sometimes it might not show up, but for this demonstration I'll show you how I'll change my MAC address right now and see how it shows up in the ipconfig. So let me just do 001D52 or 0052 A091, right? So obviously for the MAC address you're gonna have to use hexadecimal characters. So 0 through 9 or 8 through F. That'll work. If you do something outside of the hexadecimal range, I'm pretty sure it'll show up as a 0. So yeah, make sure that you have it in the range. You won't be allowed to put any dots, colons, or dashes, so just type in your 12 digits and then hit OK. And you'll lose connectivity for like 10-20 seconds, and then it'll look for it. It'll change it, I should say. And now if you do this again, ipconfig 1D, that's the one I changed it to, right? Yeah, that's the one I changed it to. Yep. This is the new MAC address. It has been changed, and like I said, you can do this on other network adapters that you have. They can be virtual or wireless. It doesn't matter. If you are a networking student and you're doing this for educational purposes, you can actually, let me pull up PuTTY right now if I can. It's not showing up. Okay, I'll just have to pull up another prompt. That's kind of sucky. Oh, here it is. Okay, so from here, if you do show MAC address table, the entry with the changed, oh actually, is it plugged in? Okay, that's weird. Let me do it again, see if it shows up. That's weird. It's, 1 second. Okay, I think I realized why it's not showing up. I think I have port security enabled and it shut down my port when I changed it. Yes, it's in secure shutdown mode. I guess that actually this is a bad example. If you have port security, it'll shut down your port. And let me see if I can go change it. Yeah, I assume if you're a networking student and you want to do this for educational purposes, I assume that nobody's trying to become like a hacker. I don't think that would be anybody watching this. Let me see. Shutdown. No shutdown. Okay, yeah, as you can see right here, here is the, no, that's actually my real MAC address. That is funny. That is not the same as it is here, is it? Okay, yeah. Well, as you can see, this method isn't really effective when you want to do it against a secure device. Yeah, they're just gonna put it on shutdown. If you don't have port security enabled, it won't show it. Let me just actually disable it. No switch port security, and then shut down. Okay, now let me see if it does it. Show MAC address table. Let's see if it shows. Show MAC address table. Let me just do this one. Or no, it's not dynamic. What am I doing? Oh, okay, yeah. And then there you go. That's the spoof MAC address. Okay. So, like I said, yeah. I mean, with modern devices, you're not going to be able to spoof your address and get away with it. I don't know. Maybe there's alternative methods that you can sort of go under the radar. Like I said, that's not the point. I hope you're not doing this to try to become a hacker or something like this. But there are security reasons why you might want to spoof your MAC address. Like if you're in a public wireless network and you want to hide your real MAC address from somebody who might want to take it. But even then, that might be a step too far. I don't think anybody's trying to do that, like I said. But if you want to do that, go out of your way. You can do that. But like I said, if you're trying to do this against you know, I don't know, maybe an unmanaged $30 switch, you'll be able to get away with it. But you know, Cisco switches or something like that, you're gonna see a lot of system messages, shutdowns if they have port security. If I have DHCP snooping enabled, you'll better get a bunch of system messages. But as you can see, if you have like a terribly set up, I guess just unaltered, you know, somebody just bought it and just put on all the ports and that's it, and didn't enable any security, I guess you can spoof your MAC address. But yeah, I guess in enterprise switches, you know, if they're using for like big stuff, you're not going to be able to get away with it. So but yeah, as you can see, I actually have gotten away with it since port security and DHCP snooping is not enabled. So yeah, but anyways, that went a little bit beyond the scope of the video. But yeah, anyways, if you like the video, leave a like. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm not sure if Linux or any other operating systems, Mac OS, they'll allow you to do it this way. Probably not. But yeah, like I said, this is Windows based. So yeah, leave a like if it helped, and thank you for watching.